What's up, everyone? Today we're unboxing and testing a serious aerial photography contender, the RG806 Max RC Drone. This machine is built for stability and stunning capture, featuring GPS precision, powerful brushless motors, and an incredible 8K HD dual camera system. But the real game changer? 360-degree obstacle avoidance built right into its core. Let's see what this drone can do. Power, portability, and endurance. First, let's talk about the engine. The RG806 Max is equipped with brushless motors. This means you get superior power efficiency, a longer lifespan for the drone, and a much smoother, quieter flight compared to older motor types. When you're ready to pack up, the drone is perfectly portable, folding down to just 16 by 9 by 6 centimeters. And with the battery included, it weighs only 190 grams, keeping it lightweight and agile. Powering your flights is a 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery, giving you an impressive approximate flight time of 15 minutes per charge. 8K capture from dual lenses. The camera system on the RG806 Max is next level. Up front, you have an 8K high-definition wide-angle camera that's massive resolution for crystal-clear aerial photography. But it's a dual camera setup. The bottom features a high-definition camera with optical flow, allowing you to switch angles mid-flight for a new perspective or use it for precise ground tracking. All your captured content is saved directly to the included 8GB memory card, and you get a dedicated 5.6-inch screen built into the remote control, giving you a clear, dedicated view of your flight path. Intelligent safety and autonomous flight. This is where the RG806 Max earns its stability and security monitoring title. The biggest feature is the built-in three-sided obstacle avoidance. The drone uses sensors on three sides to actively scan the environment and will instantly stop without collision when it encounters an obstacle. Say goodbye to crash anxiety. Crucially, this is a GPS drone. GPS gives you total peace of mind with 3 automatic safety functions. One-click return brings the drone home instantly. Return without signal. If you lose connection, it flies itself back. Low battery return. When power drops, it initiates an automatic return to prevent a crash landing. The RG806 Max is also packed with intelligent flight modes. You can use intelligent following to keep the drone locked onto you, surround flight for cinematic orbits, custom routes by drawing a path on the app map, and even use gesture photography for quick, hands-free selfies. Final verdict. The RG806 Max is an amazing choice for anyone serious about aerial photography who doesn't want to compromise on safety. You get the incredible detail of the 8K dual cameras paired with the flight security of GPS and that reliable three-sided obstacle avoidance. It's powerful, it's smart, and it's ready to fly. Which feature impresses you the most, the ultra-clear 8K camera or the safety net of 360-degree obstacle avoidance? Let me know in the comments below.